All right guys, next skill is going to be our handstand bridge down. This is building off of our bridge that we worked on in level 2. Now we're taking it to the next level by doing a handstand first, letting our feet come down in front so that we end holding it like a bridge. Let's check this out. Woo. Just like that, all right? So you'll notice when he did his handstand, first he hit a nice solid shape, right? He was in a straight line. He wasn't wavering or teetering around too much. He got his balance. Then he kept his upper body pretty much frozen and his lower body did all the work, okay? Let's see it one more time. So watch here, he kicks up first. He's holding that nice shape. Everything over here stays relatively still. This is the only part that does most of the work. Then when you get to here, you can either do that fancy stand-up that Coach Dallas did, or you can just come back down. And at first, I would really recommend doing a couple rock and rolls like we do in class. Keep that back stretched out, okay? So practicing this one is a little bit tricky, I'll be honest. One thing you could do is go up by the wall and kick your feet up first, and then slowly, very slowly, move your hands a little bit farther away from the wall. Practice dropping your feet down until you end in something like a bridge with your feet by the wall. Another option is you could have somebody spot you. Please be very careful with this one. What I would really recommend is one arm going right by the lower back, the other arm going right behind the quads here so that you can really control that descent down into the bridge shape, okay? I would keep your elbows in so you don't strain yourself in any way and gently lower them down. So after you've done a little bit of training for it and you feel like you're ready to try it out, maybe try putting a blanket down or a mattress if you have access to give you a little bit of a softer landing. But really the best things you can do to prepare for this one are a strong handstand and a strong bridge shape, okay? The rest is just getting the timing right, making sure that we control our descent into the bridge, not letting ourselves just fall down. And that is our handstand bridge down.